Welcome to the part of me TOSCIDO M863, and I'll show you how to log out from Gmail account in Gmail app on this device. So let's first open the Gmail application, and after that tap here on this icon. After that, we can see that we are logged in into two accounts at the same time, and now just to log out from one from these accounts in Gmail application, we should log out from the Google account on our device. So how we can do that? Let's just first tap here to manage accounts on this device. After that, here you'll see there's two accounts here, and for example, to log out from the first one, click here, tap to remove account and confirm your action by click to remove account again. And that's it. As you can see in Google account settings, we stay only with one Google account. And now let's just go back to the application and check it here, and now we can see that in Gmail application we stay also only with one Gmail account. So that's it. That's how to log out from Gmail account in Gmail app on our TOSCIDO device. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.